Hello guys, today I am bringing my Yemeni friend. We are making TikTok videos. Now we are making first YouTube video for reaction of TikToker peoples. TikTok के जो खुसरे हैं हम उनकी एक एक करके लेंगे आज. तो मेरा दोस्त मेरे साथ है रैयान. अरहब या रैयान.
Rayyan, I'm from Yemen.
Yes.
We are coming here to make a video to TikTok people. This khusra drama too much. Now
we will see them, okay?
Reaction, yeah.
Yeah, we will make the reaction. First video we will see of the khusra. Fuk. This is the first khusra I will show you guys. आज मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको.
This one.
هذا?
This one, first one.
أيوه هذا.
Yeah.
Okay, watch this video and we will reaction on this video. شوف يا خوي.
شو هذا? What is this, my friend?
This is khusra, my friend.
Khusra? Like this all khusra?
Yeah, all khusra is like. استغفر الله العظيم. What is this?
استغفر الله العظيم.
What is this?
استغفر الله. استغفر الله العظيم.
You watch this?
والله.
What is this, حبيبي?
You will make very video for ليش خربطت؟
لاخذ اللعنة. Say to him لاخذ اللعنة.
لاخذ اللعنة على this خسرة.
على this خسرة.
يلا.
Okay, next video देखते हैं.
Next video.
किसका? Alex भट्टी का खुसरा नंबर 1 का. Check this, my friend.
Oh, this is number 1 خسرة.
This is number 1 خسرة.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله.
What ما شاء الله استغفر الله استغفر الله. Not ما شاء الله. You said استغفر الله.
استغفر الله استغفر الله.
What you will say for him?
اللهم إني صايم.
لعنات لعنات.
لعنتي عليك.
لعنتي عليك. Okay. किन ढोल बड़े से बड़ा खुसरा. This is new khusra. The new top 3 khusra.
He won't be famous.
Famous khusra.
He make khusra.
Yeah, to
drama,
become famous khusra in Dubai.
We will see the video. What he
Watch. Watch him.
But
He's cute. He's cute khusra.
خسرة cute. How come?
He's cute khusra.
All خسرة cute.
All khusra cute, huh? Oh my god. What the hell is this?
Head. What the head, man?
Okay. لا ارمي عوامتك.
What the head?
What is this, man?
What is this?
I need to wear glasses, sunglasses like you.
Where?
Yeah, because I don't want to see. خلاص.
يلا don't see خلاص. 1 minute.
Okay, let's give them lanat and say bye bye to this episode.
لعنتي
لعنتي عليك.
5 مرات باليوم.
Okay, this is the top 3 khusras. Guys, wait for us. हमारे लिए इंतजार करो. हम next video लाएंगे top 3 खुसरे या तो लाएंगे कोई दूसरे video. टिकटॉकर्स की एक एक पकड़ के लेंगे. Say something, حبيبي.
I say all Pakistan Zindabad. Only this
Pakistan
khusra.
Zindabad.
Only this khusra.
मुर्दाबाद.
Murdabad.
भूलना नहीं subscribe और like और comment करना.
If you want any video you can make. You can write in the
comment section.
We'll make any video.
يلا هي مع السلامة.
سلام عليكم.
تحية.
عليكم السلام.